Are you tired of struggling with ice for your cocktails and frozen treats? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Manba Ice Shaver. Let's kick things off with the Manba Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine, priced at just $18.04. What caught my attention here is the inclusion of free ice cube trays, which is a huge bonus for anyone looking to whip up tasty summer drinks. If you want fluffy, snow-like ice for your slushies and cocktails, this is worth a serious look. The Manba Ice Shaver features durable 18/8 stainless steel blades that promise longevity and precision. This means you can get a consistent, fluffy texture in your ice, which is essential for crafting the perfect margarita or snow cone. It also has a 1-liter capacity, so you can make enough ice for a small gathering without feeling like you're stuck in the kitchen forever. Plus, it's portable and easy to clean, which is a big win for outdoor parties. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Convenience is key, and this machine makes it super easy to enjoy your favorite drinks without the hassle of manual crushing. Now, some people complained about the manual crank operation, stating it can be tiring. Here's the thing though, if you're only using it occasionally, the hand crank feature allows for control over ice consistency, which is a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you love hosting casual get-togethers and want a fun way to serve drinks. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-powered electric option for heavy use. At this price point, it's a great value. Now, if the manual crank of the Manba bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its electric operation.
Product number 2, Dash Deluxe Shaved Ice Maker. The Dash Deluxe Shaved Ice and Slushie Maker retailing for $39.99. This one caught my eye because of its vibrant aqua color and versatile capabilities. If you want a machine that can whip up snow cones, slushies, and cocktails with ease, this is a strong contender. The Dash Deluxe features adjustable blades, meaning you can customize the ice texture based on your drink's needs. This is crucial if you're making everything from coarse snow cones to fine, fluffy ice for cocktails. With a 1-liter capacity and a serving pitcher included, it's designed for easy serving, so you won't have to worry about making multiple batches. Plus, it comes with a recipe guide, which is perfect if you're looking to try something new. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having the right texture for your drinks can elevate your cocktail game and impress your guests. Now, I did notice that some users mention the durability of the plastic material isn't the best, but honestly, at this price, it still offers great functionality and should hold up just fine if handled with care. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with different frozen treats at home. Skip this if you prefer more heavy-duty construction. For the price and versatility, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a manual approach with a twist.
Product number 3, the Wincombe Manual Ice Crusher, priced at $27.99. The manual aspect really caught my attention, especially for those who want control over ice consistency without relying on electricity. If you want to crush ice effortlessly and keep things simple, this is worth checking out. The Wincombe Manual Ice Crusher produces both fine and coarse ice chips, which means you can customize your cocktails exactly how you want them. It has a capacity of 1.5 pounds, making it great for small gatherings or even just for personal use. What's fantastic is that it works without electricity, which is perfect for picnics or camping trips. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having the flexibility to use it anywhere without worrying about power sources is a huge plus. Now, some users expressed concerns about the effort required to crank the handle. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a quiet, space-saving option that doesn't require charging, the effort might be worth it for you. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys outdoor activities and needs something portable. Skip this if you're looking for an electric model for larger groups. At this price, it's a solid buy. Now, if you're thinking about the manual operation, let's look at something that's electric but still compact. Product number 4, Remix Shaved Ice Machine. We have the Remix Shaved Ice Machine, also priced at $39.99. The bright red color and large capacity really stood out to me. If you want a quick and efficient way to make shaved ice for all your favorite drinks, this one's definitely worth considering. The Remix machine is electric, which means you can simply flip a switch to start making fluffy ice in seconds. This is a big deal if you're in a hurry or just don't want to deal with manual labor. It also features an adjustable snow size, allowing you to customize the thickness of the ice for whatever you're making. This is especially useful when you want to make different types of drinks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Speed and versatility can make your drink-making process so much smoother, especially when entertaining guests. Now, some users have reported issues with the safety lock not working perfectly, but honestly, as long as you follow the instructions, it's a minor inconvenience considering the overall ease of use. This is perfect for you if you love throwing parties and want to impress your friends with quick, delicious treats. Skip this if you need something that's more heavy-duty. For the price and convenience, it's a great pick. Finally, let's wrap it up with our last product that offers a manual approach with some quality features.
Product number 5, the Putzger Manual Ice Crusher. We have the Putzger Manual Ice Crusher, priced at $29.99. What caught my attention here is the sturdy, non-slip design, which makes it easy to use without worrying about it sliding around. If you want a reliable manual crusher that can handle a variety of ice sizes, this one's worth a look. The Putzger features built-in stainless steel blades for precision crushing, so you can get the perfect texture for your cocktails or slushies. It's designed with an easy-to-turn handle, meaning you don't have to exert a ton of effort to get your ice just right. This is important because it allows you to enjoy the process rather than feel like you're working out just to make a drink. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A solid build means you can rely on it for long-term use without worrying about breakage. Now, there were a few complaints about it being a bit bulky compared to other manual options, but honestly, if you're looking for something stable that won't slip while you're using it, this is actually an advantage. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable manual option for home use. Skip this if you're tight on space and need something more compact. For the value, it's hard to beat. So let's recap what we've seen today.
To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 fantastic portable electric ice crushers. The Manba Ice Shaver offers a budget-friendly option for occasional use, while the Dash Deluxe brings versatility and vibrant style. The Winco Manual Ice Crusher provides control for those who want it, and the Remix Shaved Ice Machine speeds things up for party hosts. Lastly, the Putzger Manual Ice Crusher delivers quality with stability.